Alright, we're playing Hamburger Hill. We are defending as green team. They're attacking from the top, and we are here to defend a bomb that is located in between those spools. So I got a fart! Alright, let's do this. What is it, you hit? Yeah, you go back there to the barrel back there and you spawn back in. Gage has saved me! Yo, Gage, Zombieland, taking fire on this side. They're actually reaching you. You get shot already? Yeah, me too. Took one to the glasses. Yep, they're all on Zombieland. Alright, I know where to go.
There's one in water treatment!
No way. You right there with the green thing? No way. It's crazy.
There's an enemy in water treatment?
I don't know about that now. Alright, I'm moving. Pardon me. Yeah. Which one? Copy. What? Don't look out that window. Guy right here, Debbie's. Two guys. Right of the building. Alright, let's get over there and reinforce it. Hey. Damn it. Fucking hit again. Chris, you hit? Oh, what do you need? I ain't got a level one. I don't know. Yeah, not me, but. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, how many times have you been shot? First time? Shot twice already. Yeah, you need to be a lot closer than what you are with that saw, man. Yo, right here, guy. Hey, it's the spool, man. Building to your right there, man. Right there. Building to your right. Looking more. Should be one guy ran up on that position over there. I've shot literally no rounds and I've already been killed twice. Is he on our team or is he dead? Is he on our team? Yeah, what team are you on? Yeah, you on green? Okay, did you just get shot? Kick that barrel and get back in. You need to kick the barrel twice. And after that, it's done. MacGyver, are you out? Alright. We gotta do something. And move up. Move up. Get the edge's position. Got him, he's down. Hey, I got Batman. Batman's down. Where? Taking fire, taking fire. Yo, Zombieland's getting taken over, man, over here. I got 2 guys, just 2+ guys through the highway, 3 guys. Got 3 confirmed moving that way to the right at Zombieland. Yo, I got a bunch of this building right here. Yo, watch out, man. The Debbie's place, where Batman got killed, above that building called Debbie's. You got 3 guys in there right now. Yo, hey, your position right there. Can you see Zombieland? There's a guy right there if you can get him standing right there out in the open. You probably can't see him now. He moved to the right. He's moving to the right. He's moving off to the right. Gage! Gage! There you go. They're running right. They're running heavy on the right, guys. Running heavy on the right. Alright, I'm being compromised. Gotta fall back. Yo, guys, they're pushing heavy over here. They're pushing heavy over here. Where they at? Where they at? Hold on a second. Watch out. Are they in the buildings yet?
No, I don't think so. I think a couple.
Alright, we gotta do something. We gotta do something.
Down by Zombie.
What do you see?
Way out there. Hey, there's one pushing up!
There's a runner right there!
Up there, you get that building right down there.
I got this. Watch out. Get him, guys. Get him. What the fuck? What are y'all doing? Get him. Get rid of that. Yo, get ready, man. They're right up here. They're to the first building and then second set of spools. Two in doorway? Alright. I don't see a thing. No, I don't see anybody right now. I'll see one. Alright, I got it. We'll go, we got you covered. Got him. He's down. Watch out, man. You got 2 guys directly ahead. One's on the bottom. Next to a spool. What do you mean? Wait.
Almost got shot. There's a couple snipers.
How many lives you got left?
All of them.
I got 1 left. That's all I got.
Our gun is not firing. Yeah, I got ammo.
Yo, you got a bunch of enemies right there, man.
Okay, there it goes. Hey, Carter. You good?
Chris, watch yourself, Chris. Chris, go. Good shit. Hey, hey. Oh, same move right there, those spools. Watch out, dude. Watch out right here.
Watch out up
Watch
there.
out here. Yo, guys. You gotta watch out. Move up. If you're gonna move up, go.
Alright, watch out, there's kitties onto it.